GNSS signals are blocked. The fusion positioning and navigation system ensures safe and accurate flight operations.
The LiDAR captures point cloud densities of up to 300,000 points per second for detailed.
Tādu nokrašot vai no vilupīši. Maisiņā, teiksim, mēs līdzi cirāt propelleri traucēja. Šito... Jā,
tas pats, kas šādi brilles, to, ko uz ekrāna. Bet ekrāns ar nozis tagad ir.
Jau strādā viņas.
It will give you 3D model and it will give you the exact cubic meter. Close the doors. Try the drone, recharge the batteries, and it's ready to go again.
Šeit suņiem mācām, ka mēs to slaiklastījumu to nevajag. Mēs ņemsim to līdzlastījumu. Kā parādās uzreiz viss skaidrs, cilvēks guļ.
Pats ar to radio, tādu pašu veiktspēju, viņi savā starpā var komunicēt, veidot meža tīklu līdz pat 5 ierīcēm reizē, tad mēs varam. Šie droneri ir lidojuši Ukrainā, kā teicu, 500 droni tika noziedoti, ļoti daudz. Šeit arī uzliek ilustrācija, tad ļoti ekstra. Cik viņš var panēt? Lūdzu? Cik viņš var panēt?
Novērojumiem no kosmosa.
Kristaru, Magāni, to? Jā, to džempus. Tad, kad es iestāju.
Un tad būs novērojumi. Jā, tas ir no malas, ka taisa operācija, jā.
Tu kā izgāja no ķermeņa?
Es tā kā izgāju no ķermeņa, jā, šito, ka lido. Bet viņam ļoti maz tas tāds uzstāvs.
Mažēlīgi krūta, tas viss ir tās spēlītas. Oliņas tur vilks ķēr.
Jā, OSP vadiņš.
Especially in eastern Estonia.
Quite difficult. Fiber optical.
Mēs izspolējas, šis ir baterijā iekšā.
Well, physically, I don't think it has like any kind of software or.
And how does the drone know that there is a high breeze?
Inspection, finding missing people, like we've heard already today, like one of the most capable aerial vehicles. Inspection or going into the details really strongly, it's more meant for, let's say, capture. It will be really smart to unfold the antennas as well with more range. As I said, we like to land ourselves. Yeah, this is here. What's really cool is the AR street overlay, where you can see the street names. Quite positively surprising, but again, it is still a thermal camera, so you're not getting the same, let's say, resolution as you're getting with like other. Towards this area, here, on the thermals, we can see really nicely like all the people, what engines are warm.
fly to Zoo?
Sorry?
Zoo.
But of course now he's not going anywhere, so maybe we can.
Not yet.
Oh yeah, with tracking it zooms itself in, and then you have to like, if I zoom out.
Let's go.
So,
Backflip.
so you're not like doing anything. The drone is tracking the generator itself. And now for me, so it upscales the light conditions